In this video, we will learn how to drawing in Google Sheet. So let's start. Open your Google Sheet and go to the Insert tab and click on the drawing option. Now here you can easily draw anything. So here have a some option. When you keep cursor on this any icon, you can see the name of this icon shape. So just click on it. You can see here the all shape here available. Just click on it and you can draw it here easily. Okay, you can change color also. Just click on the fill color and you can insert the color. If you want to change color the border, just click on it and you can insert the border color. If you want to change the border width to, just click on it and you can set the width of border. So here if you want a different line, so border dash, you can see the border dash is different showing. Here have some more option for formatting also, so you can use it also. So I just show you one line, so you can use the line. I just draw here the one line, same as you can line weight create also, and you can change the color of line also easily. Okay, so here you can insert image also. Okay, so I show you here. Okay, sorry. Here you can see the icon of image. Okay, just click on the image and here the insert image dialog box is open. You can upload image from your computer, webcam, by URL, photos, Google Drive, Google Image. So I upload image from my computer. Just click on it and I select here the plant image, and image is going to insert it. So here image inserted. Now you can easily crop it. Just select the image and here crop image option. Okay, just click on this drop down arrow. Have some shapes also, so I use the different shape image also. You can see the changes on the image. Okay, it's nice. Okay, so this is a reset the image. You can reset it. So replace the image, you just click on the replace and you can upload again different image. Okay, so this is a way you can draw in Google Sheet. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.